Hey pack leaders, this is Hian. I am gonna show you how I'm gonna set up the next set of trades. You can wait 24 hours to wait till things settle down, see where they drop, or you could just do this. Normally I would Fibonacci this in. So let me show you the where is this? Is it this? No, it's here. Yeah, there it is. So what I did was I did a Fibonacci thing to do a retracement of where from the bottom up to the high, and 0.168 is kind of where I think it'll maybe settle over time, or at least it'll come back and correct and then bounce back up. Okay, but in between there, it's gonna take some time for it to reach down there. So what I did was, just like how I instructed before, let's go over to my trades here. Alright, so I'm in no positions. You could leave that 20% off. I think I would have done that before. Leave that 20% on there. And I do that. I do have that on another account. Just to see if it does pump up, you're already in the long. Right now, if it takes off without me, it kind of sucks. But we don't know that, right? So it would have been nice to have the 20% just sitting there, waiting around, kind of thing. But now we're going to try to catch it if it comes back down about 0.68. So that comes about to about 30, what did I say it was? 8,300, okay, at the low. Okay, so it could come back down 8,300, or it could not. It could just maybe, that'll be the worst case scenario. If it goes past that, then maybe it's really turning the other direction. So it shouldn't. Okay. All right. So just in case it does, we're covered. Okay. So I have every $100, 8 right here. Let's see here. Now I have a couple small ones here, and then I kind of ladder them down. Okay. So I have 86.21, 85.97. It's about $50 difference. $50 to $70 difference. If it does come down, I might be able to play these wicks here along the way. And if it does really drop, I'm going to pick up $5,000 all the way down. Okay, on each $100 rung. Okay. Depending on your account size, you have to position your account size accordingly. I'm at 5x right now, so if I can't get any more, then I've used that up. Okay. Now, normally I would do about $15,000 rungs, 15,000 here. But in the beginning, I'm just gonna, I don't know why I choose 5, but I chose 5 this time. Who knows? It could totally tank and just drop all the way down and hang out down for a while. At least I have some more I can pick up at 15,000 if I really need to. Okay, depending how volatile it is. All right, I'm not gonna be babysitting this. I'm just gonna let this play out, and if it come out and I see that I'm in profit, then I'm gonna take it 80-20 and come back down 80-20 again. Okay, so I think I'm probably go like, the hoops here. All right, it's gonna kind of maybe hoop down, hoop down, and eventually, hopefully around here, it starts to bounce back up again. Okay, but it looks like, we'll see how this goes. If this isn't going to be higher than this, I don't think it's going to go any higher. I think most likely it's going to go down. So if it does, great. We're going to pick up some nice bait, and then once it starts to pay off, we'll wait for that to happen. Okay, cool. Let me show you another account here that I'm doing. This, I actually left the 20% there. I did sell a little more as it pumped up. And then I can then, since I'm already in a positive and my profitability line is really low down here somewhere, this is where my profitability line is. As soon as I hit any of these 15, 30, 30, 30, every $100 down, I'm going to buy and sell 15 all the way up along across while staying in this position. Okay, or I might just take 80-20, just depending on how I feel during the day. There is no way, as long as you take money when it's profit, and that should be good. So hopefully it wicks us down, takes us 15K, maybe I'll sell 5 here, pick up another 5, sell another 5, pick up another 5, sell another 5, and then try to make as much money as I can while it's going sideways with this $50 spread or $60 spread here. And if it comes down, great, we'll pick up another rung, maybe sell 10, buy 10, sell 10, buy 10, sell 10, buy 10, all along the way. And I'll do another video to show you how I actually do that when this actually happens. Okay? Alright, cool. Talk to you then.